Hey guys, today we'll be going over some technical analysis. Technical analysis is a technique used by many investors to try and forecast the direction of prices by identifying patterns based on past market data such as price and volume. I often use this in conjunction with my fundamental analysis. After I've determined that I like the stock based on its fundamentals, then I'll take a look at the technical analysis to see what is a good price point to either buy or sell depending if I want to enter or exit a trade. Today, let's take a look at AT&T, as this has been slowly creeping higher since its investor day where they raised guidance on their projected HBO Max numbers from a previous goal of 50 million subscribers by 2025 to now 150 million by 2025. That is triple their previous guidance, but yet the stock barely moved. I've already looked at the company's fundamentals and determined that it's really cheap and deeply undervalued given the unappreciated streaming business and its ability to generate significant cash flow. Thus now, I just want to see if investor sentiment has changed and what would be a good price to enter. So the first thing I like to do is take a look at the overall monthly chart to see how the stock is doing and which direction it's headed. Technical analysis is based on momentum, and thus we always want to follow the upward trend of the stock if we want to go long. So here on the monthly chart, we see that since the pandemic sell-off in March 2020, AT&T has been going nowhere and it was stuck between about $31 and $27. The concern is that they have such a heavy debt load from the acquisition of Time Warner and that they would not be able to grow. Thus, the stock has been going nowhere. However, recently, it has been slowly pushing back upward and started to break out of resistance level at this red line here at around $30. Although it's barely above it, there is some nice buying volume and I think it's going to break out soon. If it does, the next level of resistance is at this line here around 32. Remember, AT&T is a large value stock and so you won't see big moves. But from a valuation perspective, it should be worth around $38, which was what it was trading at pre-pandemic. Next, let's dig deeper and take a look at the weekly data. Here, the price action also looks really good, as it just broke out of its weekly resistance last week at around 29. It has really good support at this blue line here around 28.50. It also has a nice trajectory upward and should go higher. Next, let's go even deeper and take a look into the daily charts. On the daily charts, it's also showing a nice upward trend. However, in the past week, it has been range bound between this $29.60 support and $30.17 resistance. It broke above a few times, but was pushed back down. Hence, there's really strong pressure at this $30 level. But once it breaks this level, which I think it will, then it'll be a very strong buy. For now, I have set up alerts to let me know when it breaks this $30 level. At the same time, if there's a pullback, we want to see it bounce and hold this $29.60 support level. If it does, it will be a very good sign of buyers coming in. Overall, I like AT&T on a fundamental level, and now the technical charts are also indicating a potential buy. We just want to see it break this $30 level and hold, then I would love to buy immediately. That's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button. And if there's a stock that you would like me to do a quick analysis, leave me a comment below. I'm not an expert in technical analysis, but I'll give you my opinion on it. Thanks again for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.